Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, I am so excited today because I accomplished or achieved, or whatever you want to say, this look. This was a Doja Cat inspired look from her Juicy video. It didn't come out perfect or exactly like her hair or anything like that, but this was the closest I could get to it. I am new to this like wig thing or whatever, so I'm not a professional in any type of way. I do these videos so that we can learn together, figure it out, mess up together, become professionals together. Everyone makes it seem like it's 1, 2, 3, baby, and it's on and perfect, and that's not how it really works. So I went through a lot to get to where I am right now, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. And I am going to do a giveaway in this video, so I guess you should just watch the whole video to see what you need to do. I will be giving away shoes. They are from Pretty Little Thing. They're a clear shoe, a clear heel, and they're a size 10, I think. I believe they're a size 10. So just keep watching the video throughout the whole way through and see what you gotta do and look for to win those pair of shoes. Maybe I might even throw a dress in there too. So a pair of shoes for sure, and maybe also a dress. And the dress is probably like a size medium. So if you wear a size 10 shoe or a medium dress, just keep watching. Oh, wait. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So as you guys can see from the title and the video, the title of the video, you know that this hair is So Good Hair. This is the box that it came in. Plain box, says So Good Hair. This is what the wig looks like. Now I tried to film per usual. I tried to film this video already. So like always, the lace is already cut off, honey, except for the back part. I don't know, I just didn't feel like cutting it off. I'm assuming, I think this is a full lace wig. It came with 3 combs on it. They're kind of bothering me. And then the ear, I don't know, the ear tabs are kind of weird where the wig stops. So it kind of makes my ears flip up and look a little big. But under my wigs, this is how I do wear my hair. And then I just usually pin it up like this. But my hair has gotten longer and it's super full, so it's kind of bulky, but we just gotta work with it because that's what we gotta do. I did over bleach the knots as well because they do look a little orange. So let me show you guys. Let me part a space so I can show you guys. Okay, so they look orange. But I do have this spray, so I'm gonna try to fix it. Let's get this thing started.
That's good.
Okay, so now that I'm done with all of that, I'm gonna try and cut it off. I'm just doing what I saw, and I just want to show you guys that it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3. We're just learning together, so let's just maybe get it right. If you mess up or get it right, who cares? We're learning. That's what the point of this video is, to learn. So I'm gonna just cut it off as best as I can. If it's not stuck down, I'm gonna try to spray it a little bit more, and we'll just go from there. Okay, so here's what the wig is looking like. Okay, so for me, this is too low, so I'm gonna have to cut some of this off because I can't do it.
That's good.
Guys, if you're still here with me watching me struggle to put this wig on, please drop a blue heart in the comment section below so that you can enter to win a pair of shoes. I just feel like I'm looking crazy. So I'm gonna try a middle part first. Let me remind you guys that it's not gonna look super flat because I do have these bulky braids in my hair. So, and I think I low-key just put this on crooked. Like, I don't know. Cause look at how much space I have on this side versus this side. That's kind of whack. So maybe I should put a part on this side so that I could have more forehead space. Oh my God. I hope I don't get out of the frame, but I'm trying to look in the mirror to see exactly how this part is gonna be. Now, this is a 13x4, so the parting space is like literally not that much. It's literally like that much, and then you can start seeing the tracks right here. So there's not much parting space, so I'm trying to give the illusion that it's a longer part by making the part curve up. I kind of like what this is giving though. Let me try and press this and see. I hope it's not too hot. I'm gonna put some oil in my hand, and I did just straighten this one piece, so I'm gonna put a little oil because it's just looking like a little deadly. And let me see what we're working with. I didn't do the greatest install because we do got crusty musty right here, but I am gonna try and take that off with alcohol. So I think we about to do this, y'all. This video is so long, I know. but it's whatever because this is how long it really took me to do this. So I'm probably just gonna speed through me flat ironing my hair and fixing it up, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, so now that I've changed my shirt, I'm feeling much better, and now you guys can actually see what this hair is giving. And there's a nice moth behind me somewhere. So I added this little clip, and yeah, so at first I was thinking like it wasn't possible and I couldn't do it, but I mean, this looks pretty good. Let me try one more thing to get it looking as good as possible. Let me put a little concealer in the part so you can kind of see it a little bit more. And this is just the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And now you can like see the part even more. If you guys want me to buy more wigs, I definitely will. We can keep doing this thing together because I know it costs a lot to like buy a wig and figure it out. For all the things that we encountered, like it still came out pretty good. I would leave the house like this. I feel so cute, and like this is just so cute with this little shirt. Glad I didn't film in this shirt because it would have got so ruined. It just was a lot that happened, and we did it. We made it here. We're cute. Like, what? Can't nobody tell us nothing. I had fun. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. If you've already been to my channel, thanks for coming back. I really do appreciate you because without you guys, this isn't possible. So please give this video a thumbs up. I haven't said it at all in this video. Like and subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comment section below. See you later.